Yes, so now we are discussing about adhesives. In that today we are discussing about plywood. Plywood is a material manufactured from thin layers of plies of wood veneer that are glued together with adjacent layers having their good grain rotated. Next point is what are three types of plywood. Although specialty plywood can have any number of plies, above three, most applied is categorized as 3-ply, 5-ply or multi-ply. 3-ply is one of the most common types of plywood. Next point is what plywood is used for. The most prominent use of plywood is in structural applications. Plywood can naturally withstand a lot of stress and full weather exposure. Structural plywood is best used for beams and hoardings, but it is commonly used in crates, bins, internal structures, outdoor furniture and boxes. Next point is what is the price of 2 mm plywood. Popular brown 2 mm plywood board. Size is 9 inches into 3 inches. And popular brown 2 mm plywood board, size 9 inches into 3 inches, mat at 150 rupees square feet in Mumbai. And next point is how much does 8 into 14 feet, 4 feet, 8 into 4 feet sheet of plywood cost. 8 into 4 feet plywood sheet, thickness 18 mm, for furniture at 55 rupees square feet in Meerut. Meerut means it is an area. Next point is which ply is best. How to identify best quality plywood. Best quality plywood is always ISI certified. Commercial or MR grade plywood is 303 and marine or waterproof plywood is 710. Always looks for CML number underneath of ISI mark. Next point is which plywood is stronger. The answer is marine plywood. It is the strongest and toughest of all plywood on the market. High quality glues hold the plies in marine plywood together. That makes them structurally sound and resistant to moisture. And next point is plywood 100% wood. Marine plywood is a type of hard wood plied. True hardwood is made with thin layers of 100% hardwood, which generally is stronger and harder and has a finer grain than softwood. Next point is where is MDF used. Medium density fiber board is a composite product used in many home and professional projects such as furniture, cabinetry, flooring and even speaker boxes due to its smooth finish, machinability, strength and consistency. Next point is which plywood is best for home. MR, BMR, BWR and BWP. That means moisture resistant, boiling water resistant, boiling waterproof are the best types of plywood. For furniture in India, out of these, BWR and BWP are more suited as they are durable and offer more water resistance. These grades of plywood can thus be used for outdoor furniture as well. And next point is which plywood is best for bed. Depending on your choice, you could either opt for MR grade plywood or BWP plywood. Both work exceptionally well depending on your choice. You could either opt for MR grade plywood or BWP plywood. Both were exceptionally well for plywood bed frames. All our plywood varieties are extremely strong, durable and resilient even in the face of changing weather or temperature conditions. in normal plywood waterproof. Unlike other wood-based materials, plywood is not fully waterproof. Still, the good news is that you can take steps to stave off moisture from penetrating the board, thereby giving your plywood furniture a longer life. Is farm ply waterproof? Is formerly farm ply waterproof? Farm ply is water resistant but not entirely waterproof. Sheets are designed to withstand moisture on site through their high density overlay. And next point is what is the thickness of waterproof plywood? The thickness of boiling waterproof plywood is generally available in 6 mm, 9 mm, 12 mm, 16 mm and 19 mm, etc. Is PVC sheet waterproof? Ground level installations are no longer an issue as our PVC eco sheet will not root. Is waterproof and is extremely durable for its weight. It has a lesser maintenance requirement than typical materials and can even be recycled after its long lifespan. This is the information regarding plywood. So plywood will also give a very good, we can make very good furniture with plywood. It will be useful and something cheap when compared to only depending on wood is not correct. So for tables and all these, plywood will give a very good support to that wood. Then it is you can get comfortable furniture also. By that you will be very comfortable by enjoying the furniture also. Wishing you all the best.